Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Fossil Hybrid HR smartwatch and you need to do a hard reset on it. This will erase all of the data on it, but if you're having connectivity issues or it's malfunctioning, this will fix a lot of those issues. So all we need to do this hard reset is to come in here and press and hold this middle button. And we're going to press and hold it, and it will first pop up a first menu. We're going to continue to hold it, and then we're going to, it's going to pop up with a second menu. And the second menu, it will have, you'll see at the 2 o'clock hour, it will have a little rewind, go back option. We're going to toggle up to that option and then select it. And then we're going to have to toggle around over here to confirm it. And once we confirm it, the watch will reset, it will turn off and it will turn back on. And the settings will be reset to the way that they were, that the day that you took it out of the box brand new.